great up, family and friends. You know it's Rastafari soldier. Yeah, I'm here on the Crocus back farmer ends. Yeah, it's the Rasta man with the herbal knowledge. Yeah, the one that love the farming. Bring you to the natural college. It's a botanical plant right here. The sweet sap, nice and delicious, creamy. But I'm not talking about the sweet sap at this point, ladies and gentlemen. I'm talking about the pesty disease that's on it and the natural herb that this pesky plant is. Have you ever seen another plant grow on a tree? It doesn't grow on the ground. It scorns the ground. You know, I'm showing this herb right here that is a botanical genius. It's called Scorn the Ground. Yes, people. This plant right here is really the sour sap. I'm sorry, the sweet sap. This plant is the sweet sap tree. Right? But there's another plant that's actually cohabitating on it. Here it is. Right? This plant is known in Jamaica as Scorn the Ground. It's actually living on the sweet sap tree. Right? And if you don't take it off, sometimes it will, you know, ultimately kill the sweet sap tree. So you break it off like that and it comes off. But what I'm explaining to you, this particular plant right here is a natural cleaner. If you have someone that, needs to clean out, wash out, detox, it's one of the best. I'm telling you, I will be bringing some to Florida. So you can link me up for the scar on the ground. I'm throwing this on the ground for now. So, I'm going to get some and dry them up. But as you see, it has inoculated the plant, appearing like it when it takes over the plant. So I want to get off some of it or as much of it as possible. And I'm going to dry it in the same time. Now, scar on the ground, you shouldn't let it hit the ground. If it hits the ground, it's no good. It's scar on the ground. You're all guaranteed. So if you have a girl that needs to get pregnant and such to clean out, if you're skinny like me, maga, you're guaranteed. Because cartels, you're not slim, you're slim, you're hungry. But I can consume more food than many people, but I go harder than many. So here's the scar on the ground, people. If you notice, here's, some little, like, blossoms on the end of it. Let me see if I can show you close enough with the camera not focusing right here. And there is a plant actually growing on another plant. It doesn't grow on the ground. It takes root on the sweet sap tree of all. I rarely see it on other trees. So I'm wondering if it's the birds that actually eat the sweet sap, like the white, like the ball plate and them thing there, that when it do pan the limb, that's how the scar on the ground grow. I have no idea, family, because the other tree down there had a lot of it on it, and I chopped the tree off, break it, and hoping it would spring back. But the scar on the ground is taking over. It's taking over. So let me know how I get the scar on the ground off, if it's purpose on this sweet sap tree. Because there's a lot on this one. It wasn't on there last year. Look at that. And let me know if you want some scar on the ground. Let me know if you know any purpose for it other than to flush, to clean yourself out. See me? See him? See the ball plate there? Him just fly. I'm always in this tree every day. In midnight tree. Every morning I can get up and guarantee say seed. Listen. Hopefully I caught him flying. But I am a whitehead. Ball plate we call him, you know. Cause he head white. Like he head ball. Yeah, one of them normal feeding spot, you know. Just put down some planting and some cocoa. So them just push out leaf right now for me. Young planting right here. Him say him nice, you know. Yeah, so nice for him. There's some cocoa right there. Couple holes in it, so why? Another planting right there. Yeah. There's the factory coming, people. The Crocus Park Farmer Factory. Not ramping. Now play with it. Work where I work when I jerk. Up close with the sweet sap tree, you know.